Hello crochet friends, and welcome back to your ABCs, Absolute Beginner Crochet series, where I walk you through the absolute basics of crochet. My name is Sammy with Yarn Over Hook, and in today's video we are going to learn how to do a double crochet stitch. I enjoy this stitch because it's nice and airy. I use this often for my summer swimsuit cover-ups or like a light blanket, a nice light scarf. I think this is a very versatile stitch. So I'm excited to teach you about this one today. Let's hop to it. First, we are going to yarn over. You'll end up with 2 loops on your hook, this front loop being your feeding yarn loop. Then you are going to insert it into the stitch right underneath that V there. So now you have this V, your feeding yarn loop, and the starting loop. So 2 loops and your V. You'll yarn over again and pull it through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through those front 2 loops only. 1, 2. Now you're left with 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through those last 2 loops. And there's your stitch. Let's do it again. Yarn over, putting 2 loops on your hook. Insert your hook into that V right underneath there. Yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through those first 2 loops only. Now you're left with 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through those 2 loops as well. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook into that into that stitch there. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through those first 2 loops, yarn over one last time, and pull through those last 2 loops. And there you have it, a double crochet stitch. Let us know what you end up making with this stitch. I hope you guys are making some awesome things. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so that you're notified when we upload new videos. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!